In today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you my strategy that has made me $10,000 yesterday. And honestly, it's probably one of the most easy, beginner-friendly strategies. And I've been using it ever since I started trading meme coins and slowly scaling how much I go into trades with. Therefore, just infinitely scaling the profits I make. Now, there are 3 steps to this strategy, so you want to make sure that you watch the whole video through, because if you miss any of these, you can lead to your next scam, losing all your money. That's why it's really important to follow each one of these steps, so make sure you guys watch the whole video, and let's get right into it. Now for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys trades I took yesterday, and I was actually able to make a bunch of money on them. And obviously I'm not lying, so here's the proof. We are on Axiom Pro, and if you go over to portfolio, here's how much money I made yesterday, which is $12,000 or around 90 Solana in exactly 1 day. So I'm going to be breaking down how I was actually able to do this. So let me just open up these trades I took and go over why these worked out so well. Okay, so the first trade is called MEMECOIN. Now this one was absolutely insane, and I actually sadly fumbled, almost 100 Solana, but we were still able to bag 12 Solana with absolutely doing nothing except for this strategy. Now, as you guys can see, this strategy is very simple, and like I said, it's 3 steps. So let's go over step 1, which is identifying the narrative and seeing if the coin's actually good. Now, this is probably one of the most important steps, and that's why you got to really pay attention. So as you guys can see, there's this coin called MEMECOIN. Now, what exactly is this coin? Basically, it's based off of Trump saying he's going to take taxes off of gambling. Now, this narrative is super bullish, and honestly, I could see it still running. But why did I know this coin was good? It's because no news people have posted it yet, and none of the big pages have really posted it. And that's why I knew that it was going to do well. If I go over here and say taxes off gambling, it's absolutely blowing up. And look, 21 hours ago, he said that, but no news stations actually posted this. So I was able to buy this coin knowing that these big news stations were going to post this and try to kind of follow the hype and the wave. So as you guys can see, I absolutely entered like a Chad all the way down here at actually 8K. Then I just absolutely scaled up my bag, and I was holding a bunch of the coin because I just was really bullish on it and I knew it'd go up. And soon after, it followed with some candles all the way up to 28K. But I accidentally did not hold my bag like you're supposed to, and I sold all around 22K, bagging me 12 Solana. And as you guys can see later on, the coin just kept on going up and down, but we actually missed the opportunity to make around 30 Solana instead of 12. But honestly, I wouldn't consider that bad. But like I said, the narrative is the most important thing, and that's the first step. Now the second step is actually getting into these coins. Like how do you know your entry? So I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to go on to the next coin where I was actually able to bag 17 Solana. And once again, I fumbled some generational wealth. I probably could have made around 100 Solana. Obviously, I sold too early, and the coin ran to 170K market cap. My average exit was 24K, so I am a G. But also in these market conditions, you have to G or you're going to be losing money. So if we scroll down here, let's see what happened. Once again, it was one of those situations where my entry was just absolutely perfect at 8K to 9K range. I actually was able to get that 8K entry right here. And then it came back down and I was able to enter once again. Now following the narrative thing, I knew this coin was good because Cat in a Knit, someone very famous posted that. I'm pretty sure it was Elon or Trump posted, I love Cat in the Knit or Hat in the Cat. He posted it like backwards, like anyone remember Gary Cat in the Knit. So I knew this coin was going to do pretty well because Elon or Trump posted it and the narrative was still there, but no one has caught onto it. So I was able to buy these really low entries. And now, like I said, entries is the second thing. So how did I know this was a good entry? As you guys can see, the coin pumps up to 30K right as it launches because it's a good idea. And I slowly watch the chart tank, and I just look at the coin and see if it's still getting motion. Now what I mean by motion is, are people still buying it? Yes. So I'm able to snipe these amazing entries right here. And soon everyone realized, oh wait, this is actually a really good coin idea. And I'm able to actually close in the 50K range and also some in the 30K range. Now obviously the coin came down and I could have re-entered here, but I honestly wasn't too bullish on this narrative. So sadly I did sell pretty early, but it did go to 150K. Now it looks like somebody's Something's happening with this coin right now. It just went from 50k to 100k in one candle, but that's besides the point. Basically, the second lesson is entries. So you're always looking for an entry below 10k, ideally. And if you do know that the narrative is really good, then you can enter above 10k and try to chase the entry, because sometimes it might come out to be like a 150k runner, which will total you a 15x. Now, if anything is confusing in this video, make sure you guys apply for my mentorship down below, where I teach you one-on-one how to actually trade like me and how you guys can actually make $10,000 a day. So obviously, if you are confused or you want to go more in depth and actually become a profitable trader, make sure you guys apply below. We're only letting in a few more people, so if you do get declined, apply again, and hopefully we can get a call with you soon. Now I'm going to be giving you guys one more tip and then a bonus tip and try to live trade for you guys like usual. But the second coin is Page. Now, oh my god, this coin also made me very sad because I could have made like 100 Solana once again, which is a pretty big issue for me. But that's besides the point, because we are able to cook 14 Solana off of basically nothing. So let's go over what this third kind of strategy or tip is. And now you should follow all three of these to become a profitable trader. But here's what the third one is. The third one is looking at volume up here. Now, a lot of people don't talk about this. Like, this is actually very important. If the coin is getting no volume, that probably means it's dying. But if the coin's getting a lot of volume, whether it's negative or positive, the coin will most likely go up. So no matter what, if a coin is absolutely spazzing out, the chances that it go up are higher than it going down. But if a coin is getting no motion, then people are nervous and they actually tend to sell. Therefore, the chances that it goes down are much higher. So let's show you Page, for example. As we could see, I sniped an amazing entry here once again at 8k to 9k, 10k range, just all around there. And the reason I did this is because this coin started to pick up some motion. The narrative was good. So first, the narrative was this coach just got fired off an NFL team for getting with this girl Page. The second is that this coin ran up, came down, ran up, came down, and it's still getting motion, which motion basically means volume, or people are still looking at the coin. So I knew that this was kind of an oversell right here, and this had much more potential than it actually went to. And now, so what did I do? Basically, I was sniping down here and trying to convince some people in the comm to actually pay the DEX, which luckily the DEX was paid. And this actually made the coin run much more. So as you guys can see, we got some God candles up here to 30k. And I was able to make 14 Solana off of this. And this time I actually did hold my bag. So I held around, 5% or something here. And I was just holding my bag. But oh my god, the coin kept dumping. And as you guys can see, about an hour later, the coin actually decided to bond. And then another hour later, the coin decided to run up to 127k. So that was very sad. That sadly, we did miss that pump. But honestly, with my strategy, I'm trading usually entering and exiting in the first couple of minutes. But in a lot of situations, if I do hold for an hour, I could have made much more. That's all theoretical. Sometimes coins dump, sometimes they pump. And I can't predict that, so that's why it's important. And I stick to my strategy and trading techniques. Now remember, if you want to form your own technique, make sure you guys apply for the mentorship down below. It is absolutely free to apply.